This is just going to be a pretty short, sharp video. I'm going to share a few thoughts and why I think this happened. And this was a really good opportunity as a trader. And this is something that we've seen happen over and over again over the years. So let's just get out our fib retracement tool quickly. Let's just go from sort of the bottom of this move here. So let's see if it wants to have its little 5 minutes to cool off before another little leg higher. I'll put that back on auto there, guys. And let's see if we can get another little leg higher once this 5 minute RSI cools off just while I'm talking. But this is the point that I wanted to highlight, that I always try and get stuff out as fast as I can on Twitter, guys. So I think I tweeted this news today, but in our members group I posted this, and then the market didn't react, and I was sort of wanted to highlight the point that this news about the BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, they run some of the largest ETFs in the world, saying that they're getting into cryptocurrency and they're going to explore Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. This is massive news, okay? And the market didn't even flinch. So I said this news is more significant than the current market's reaction. And when big news like this drops, and it's, we do get a lot of news on Asian time, and this side of the world we're quite lucky because a lot of things tend to happen, in the Asian markets. But when news like this drops and it's, the middle of the night in the US or Europe, and particularly on a Sunday night when there's not a lot of trading volume, it's just the bots trading back and forward or whatever it is, most people are asleep. The markets have been pretty sleepy the past few weeks anyway, so not a lot of traders sitting at their keyboards. We didn't get the reaction that I thought this deserved. So my point was, when they wake up this evening Australian time, when I posted this 8 hours ago, get ready, traders at the ready, because this is going to move. And it's just so funny when you can watch something like this play out. So well done to any of our members that have made a bit of money. And I don't like recommending leverage, but sometimes you see an opportunity like that and you dust off the BitMEX account, because unless bad news comes out in the meantime and something changes it, when something like that massive happens, it's a Sunday night, it didn't get priced in, you're awake on Australian time, there's not a lot of downside, maybe that's those few times where you'll dust off that BitMEX account or trade with a fair bit of leverage, and then we get, bang, a $200 move as the market wakes up, digests that news, and hopefully this can get us off to a pretty start this week, pretty on the Monday morning trading. But maybe this is the first of many news articles that are going to actually turn sentiment. So we've seen plenty of positive news hit, but maybe this is the one that turns sentiment. And guys, I'm just going to do a pretty short video tonight because we did a 55-minute hangout over with Crypto Lark, Bo from Crypto Australia, and Nathan from the Crypto Noughts there. But we spoke about the explosive potential of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and everyone that's in the space behind the scenes, all pretty long-term believers. That was an absolutely fantastic chat, guys. So I really enjoyed that. Check that out if you want. But let's just see how the market digests this news when the US and the Europe really wake up later on tonight, Australian time. But happy trading to those of you around the world that are waking up to this news, and let's see if this is the turning point. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll talk to you again soon. Cheers.